guys, Keenan here from the GI Tactical Virginia store. Just like to show you guys nice new loadout, I guess. So the shtick is actually a Classic Army M24 Gen 2 LTR. It's not like that no more, but the barrel setup is a Action Army. What is this? A 601? Action Army 601 barrel, and the bucking is a G&G green bucking. And the sling, I think this one like the DEFCON gear thing. And then we got a bag of BBs, and we got our ramrod. I'll show you guys how this thing works. So pretty much take the bolt, flick it out, yeah. Appreciate you. Flick the bolt out with your pinky. Like that, yeah. Got back forward. I ain't all the way perfected this yet, but it's pretty good. Oh man, we fumbling. Oh man, we fumbling. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. Let's get chrono it real quick, yeah? Alright, bring that yabba dabba do right here. Keep this. This is actually with the Elite Force 0.20 gram BBs. 369.8. Let's see how consistent we can get this, yeah? It's not gonna be consistent. You don't think so? Watch this. Keep this. Mother's disappointed. Ain't no disappointment. My dad's also disappointed in me. That's why he's not around, but it is what it is. .373. Ooh, the consistency. Ooh, that's that G&G green bucket, kids. And then probably one more time. Wow. I don't know what he playing over there, but that's ruining my train of thought. 376.7. As you can see, a semi-consistent shtick for literally having a barrel taped to a what would you call this? A receiver thing. Man, turn this shit off. So, typically, you fire one BB, right? And we all know BBs have very, dirty propellant. Know what I mean? So you take one, you say, don't be scared, Aaron. It's not gonna hit you, dog. Take this thing, yeah, the cleaning rod, yeah. Ooh. And now you are ready for action.